This is the coming back together of the cousins. We talked about this history going back 20 years. To me, it goes back 20,000 years. We all come from the same kupuna, the same voyaging ancestors.
Te motua Kiingi Kamehameha, te whenua Kiingi Kamehameha, nei rā te mihi, nei rā te mihi, nei rā te tuku mihi. Tuatahi ake rā me mihi ka tika ki tō tātou matua nui te rangi. That's one thing I was so grateful for when I did go to Kamehameha, is being able to hula, but not just hula about one specific area. It had all these different honongas, and especially hononga tu Aotearoa nei. And it was great to see that we're going back to a school that had all these connections around the world.
So he mea tāua ki te ki, you know, e kore tā e te tangata te hāri ki tēnā kura mena karekau he toto Kanaka nei. So he mea tāua tēnā. Ko tēnā tohu he tohu kia mātou he tohu kei te ā ki te haukainga, kei te ā ki te tangata whenua I o nā uri whakatupu kia Pauahi kia eki.
It's not just a small connection. There's like a deep, rich connection that our people have, and we're so inspired by each other. When you guys come, I mean, we want to be stronger in our language and our culture. And so I feel like that exchange is reciprocal. And so it really is a special relationship.
Me te nui o te āhuatanga o tēnei au ko tini haere, ko kuhu mai, Pākehā mai, ko kuhu mai me o rātou tikanga ki te takahi o mātou reo, ki te takahi ki te whakamate o mātou tikanga. He oi tēnei a Maoli e tū nei me te ki atu, e kore e tāia ka whawhaitonu tātou ake. Anaka kite i ngā hoa kei ngā tōpito o te ao, I tēnā āhuatanga o te Maoli. Me te mea no, he mea whakaihi, he mea whakamana I a rātou, ka tāia rātou hoki.
A deeper level is the fact that Kamehameha Schools has a royal legacy, and Rakaumanga has a royal legacy. And as we heard in today's whole kipa, there were relationships for everyone to know and remember between our monarchs, our kings. Yeah, today was special for all those different reasons on different levels.
You know, what is valuable in education here? To me, our students need to know how to speak our language. They should know our dance, our crafts. All of those things to me are just as important as any other subject area because it sets their foundation up to be solid. To me, if a foundation is set around our culture, you can build anything on top of that after.